World beautiful and popular names and meaning. Name Zanish. Zanish name meaning most beautiful. Sanan. Sanan name meaning way of life. Anan. Anan name meaning peace. Aidan. Aidan name meaning bright. Irash meaning cloud. Azin meaning obedient. Pawaz. Pawaz meaning winner. Ewan meaning brave. Marwan meaning good scent. Zaim meaning leader. Fahim meaning intelligent. Azlan meaning lion. Ajan. Ajan meaning unique. Ilzan. Ilzan meaning handsome. Haim. Haim meaning life. Zahan. Zahan meaning gift of God. Umar. Umar meaning long life. Name is Zawal, meaning in sundown. Name is Heman, meaning is calm. Name is Ivan, meaning beauty. Name is Anas, meaning friendliness. Name is Zohan, meaning gift. Name is Rafan, meaning beautiful. Name is Almir, meaning friends. Name is Nazal, meaning prince. Name is Hawaz, meaning brave. Name is Nihan, meaning beautiful. Name is Mehzin, meaning beautiful. Name is Lahis, meaning worthy. Name is Hazam, meaning lion. Name is Izan, meaning obedience. Name is Ihan, meaning full moon. Name is Hisen, meaning treasure. Thanks for watching. Like, share and please subscribe.